Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel, and in this channel I am creating so many educational videos based on the subject mathematics. But till now I just created only on mathematics. If you want to ask me to create on other subject, I am ready to do it. Please give your valuable comments. So in the previous topic we just learned about one thing, that is divisibility rules, right? So we just learn all the divisibility rules of 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 11, 8, 4, all these divisibility rules we just learn, right? Now we are going to solve this exercise with the help of this divisibility rules. So what are the exercise we are going to solve? That is going to based on purely divisibility rules. By this, if we move on practice like this, what will happen? Just we are going to read the rules properly, and then it is going to be easy for us to complete the work. Okay, so before getting started into the topic, please share, like, subscribe my channel. So without getting late, let's get started. Okay, so we are solving exercise 3.3, and the question is, using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think we learn all these rules just now in the previous classes, right? So first we will check this. Already he just given this for you and he just completed it for you. Now we will solve this with easy numbers, right? So what is the divisibility rule of 2? It is easy for us because you are just going to check the last digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So it is 0, so that is the reason S. And 6, yes, it is not an even number. It is an even number. 0 is an even number. 4 is an even number. And in the same way, 6, the last one's place, it is an even number, then the number is going to divisible by 2. So that is the reason we just completed this. Okay, now with 2 it is easy. Now in the same way with 5 also it is easy. Why? Because just you have to check if the last digit is either 0 or 5, then it is going to divisible by 5. So first we'll complete that also. The last digit is 0, and no, it is 5 here one's place, here 6, 0, 4, 6, and the ones place is 0 here, and here 9. Now we will go for divisibility rule of 10. Why? Because if the last place is 0, then the number is going to divisible by 10, right? So that is the reason we will go with this. It should be only 0, not any other number. That is the only difference between divisibility rules of 5 and 10. Because in 5, if the number is going to divisible by 5, then you can say that number is going to divisible by 10. Because in 5 table, the rule of 5 is either 0 or 5. If number is divisible by 10, then the number is divisible by 5. But whereas the numbers which are divisible by 5 are not divisible by 10. Okay, means either 0 or 5 in the ones place, then it is going to be divisible by 5. But whereas for 10, it should be divisible when we have only 0. So that is the reason we just say that all the numbers which are divisible by 10, that numbers are divisible by 5 also. If you want, you can check. Wherever you have written S for 10, it is also written S for 5. But whereas you sometimes here we written S, but here we written no, because the divisible, the ones place is 5 here, but whereas the ones place is 0 should be for us. Now we'll go for divisibility rule of 3. Just simply add the digits, then you'll get the answer for it. So 9 plus 9 is equal to 18, and in 3 table you have 18, so that is the reason you can write here S. When you are finding for 3, the same thing you should check for 9 also. In 9 table you will get 18, then you can write S here. Now you add the digits. 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 6 20. So in 3 table 20 will not come, 9 table also 20 will not come. Now add these digits. 2 plus 7 plus 5 14. In 3 table 14 not come, 9 table also 14 not come. Now add here 6 plus 8 plus 6. 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20, 26. In 3 table and 9 table you will not have 26. Now move on to the next number. 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 1 21, 21 plus 0 21. So in 3 table you have 21, whereas in 9 table you not have 21. Now 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 7 22, 22 plus 1 23, 23 plus 4 27. In 3 table you have 27, 9 table also you have 27. 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 6 21. In 3 table you have 21, whereas in 9 table you not have 21. 3 plus 0 3, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 0 9. So in 3 table you have 9, as 9 table also you have 9. And the last digit, four plus 0 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 3 21, 21 plus 9 30. In 3 table you have 30, whereas in 9 table you not have 30. Okay, so this is the way you are going to check the divisibility rule of 3 as well as 9. See now what happened, 3 and 9 will completed both at the same time, because the rule is same. If addition is a multiple of 3, then you should divide by 3. If addition is a multiple of 9, then it is going to divisible by 9. So that is the reason we can check it out at the same time. Now it is very easy for us to check the divisibility rule of 6. What is the divisibility rule of 6? If a number is divisible by both 2 as well as 3, then it is going to be divisible by 6, right? So if both s are there, then you should write here s. If one no is there, then you should write no. Okay, now we will see how many places we have s here. So this question you have both s, so that is the reason it is divisible by 6. And here no, and both are no here, both are not s, both are s, then you can write very simple. The divisibility rule of 6 is very simple. One second, I am just checking. Okay, so both are s here and one is s, one is no, so that is the reason it should not. Okay, now what is the divisibility rule of 4? The last two digits is a multiple of 4, right? Or it should be divisible by 4. Now we will check this. Now coming to this question, 990, in 4 table 90 will come for you. See, we will just copy the questions and we will check it out. Okay, I'll just do it side here. 4 table 90, 4 2s are 8, 10. 4 table 10 will not come. So this is not divisible by 4. Now 86. 4 2s are 8, whereas 6. In 4 table 6 will not come. 75, 4 table will not come. 86 already we checked. 10 also will not come. 14 also will not come. 56 we will see. 4 1s are 4, 16. 4 4s are 16. So in 4 table 2856 is divisible. And next 60. 15 4s are 60, so that is the reason it is divisible by 4. 39. In 4 table you will not get 39. In this way you can check for 4 table. Now we will check for 8 table. I'll just clear this place. Okay. Now in 8 table we should check whether the number is divisible by last 3 digits is multiple of 8, then or divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. So 990, 8 1s are 8, 19, 8 2s are 16, 30, 8 3s are 24. So it is not divisible. Now 586, 8 7s are 56, 26. In 8 table you will not get 26. Now in the same way you check for 275. 8 table 8 3s are 24, 35. 8 table 35 will not come. Now 686. 8 table 686. 8 8s are 64. 46. 8 6 are 48. 8 5s are 40. So it is not divisible. And now it is 210. 8 2s are 16. 50. No, not divisible. 714. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. So that is the reason smallest number. 11 6. 11 minus 4 is 7 and 4 will come. 8 table 74 is not there because 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. One second, I'll just use this eraser to rub this. And now the next number is again 856. 856. 8 1s are 8. As 5 is small, we will take 8 7s are 56. So it is divisible by 8. And 60. 8 table 60 not there. 839. 8 1s are 8. 8 table 39 will not come. Okay. So we'll solve this divisibility rule of 11 in the next class. I hope did you understood easily to fill this table. Wear mask, save lives, stop corona. Be inspired, salutes you to the corona helpers. Thank you for watching.